In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to apply for jobs, 2026 full guide. Job hunting shouldn't feel like a second job. Blindly submitting the same resume, tweaking lines over and over, and getting filtered by applicant tracking systems can be exhausting. In 2026, with so many AI written applications flooding recruiters' inboxes, the key is to use ChatGPT ethically and precisely. Today, I'll show you how to decode job descriptions, turn flat bullets into measurable achievements, craft a human sounding cover letter, practice live interviews with voice, and send high impact follow ups. First, decode the target listing and extract the phrases ATS actually scans. Open your browser, copy the full job description, and head to ChatGPT. If available, choose a reasoning focused model for deeper analysis. Then paste the description and say, act as an expert technical recruiter. Analyze this specific job description. Strip away the corporate fluff and list the top 10 mandatory technical skills, operational tools, and core methodology phrases required to pass initial tracking filters. Format your findings into a clean markdown table with columns for required competency and suggested resume location. This gives you a precise targeting map so you're not guessing. Next, transform your experience using an 80-20 approach, 80% your authentic metrics, 20% AI optimization. Paste your master resume beneath those keywords and prompt, act as a senior resume writer. Rewrite my experience bullets for this role. For every bullet, use strong action verbs and integrate a real structural framework, like the STAR or Google XYZ formula. Ensure you weave in the target keywords naturally, eliminate corporate buzzwords completely, and leave specific bracketed placeholders where I must manually input my real data metrics to ensure absolute authenticity. Replace every placeholder with true numbers, scope, and impact. With the resume aligned, draft a cover letter that sounds like a person, not a template. Write a tailored cover letter for this position based strictly on my optimized bullets, constraints. Keep the total length under 350 words. Write in a natural, conversational tone with varied sentence lengths and short paragraphs. Do not use generic corporate filler or buzzwords. Structure it to start with one clear, researched reason I admire the company's recent work. Describe one major project success using a single narrative anecdote. And close with a professional, confident question regarding their upcoming technical goals. Personalize the opening with real recent company work. Prepare for interviews with voice-based coaching. On the ChatGPT mobile app, open your job thread, tap the microphone to launch advanced voice mode, and say, act as a tough hiring manager for this specific role. Conduct a realistic mock interview with me. Ask me one challenging behavioral question at a time, wait for my spoken response, and then give me real-time feedback on my pacing, clarity, and how well I structured my answer before moving to the next question. Practice aloud until your answers feel crisp and confident. Finally, follow up with precision. Prompt, act as an elite executive assistant. Draft a post-interview follow-up email addressed to the hiring manager. Review our previous chat context and write a brief, high-impact message under 100 words. Include a polite acknowledgement of their busy schedule. Reference one highly specific technical topic or problem we discussed during our actual conversation and reiterate how my background directly solves that exact problem. Output the draft in a clean, copyable text block. Send within 24 hours. Leverage ChatGPT as your strategic partner and you'll move faster, sound authentic, and interview with confidence. Thanks for watching.